Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Nano Banana AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit Google Gemini. You can visit the website or you can open up the Google Gemini app. And here I have already visited this gemini.google.com. And then here you can try the Nano Banana. Okay, make sure that you choose Gemini 2.5 Flash and choose Nano Banana. And here guys, you can upload your image to be edited with Nano Banana. And for the image, I'm going to select one of my image in the folder. Wait, for example, I'm going to choose this image. And we can edit this image with Nano Banana. Basically guys, you can do anything that you want. For example, you can change the hairstyle. I'm going to make it bald. Change the hairstyle to bald. Wait. Okay, and then you're going to submit it to the AI. And just hold on. Okay, and this is the result. And if you want to download it, just click on this download icon and the image will be saved to your device. Okay, and you can ask the AI to do anything that you want, guys. You can also change the background, and then you can also remove the background. It's up to you. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!